Hey, what's up guys? So today I have here an Instax Fujifilms blue. See here, Instax Mini 7S Instant Camera Bundle. So it comes with everything you see here. So it comes with one Instant Mini 7S Instant Camera Light Blue. One Instax Mini Film Pack 10 pictures. One Instax Groovy Case Light Blue. One Instax Mini Photo Album Light Blue. Holds 42 by 3 photos. 3 silicone clips. One smoky white. One light pink. One lavender. So you get a rotating instant mini photo frame. One sheet of daisy camera stickers. Instant DIY idea booklet, hand strap, 4 AA batteries, manual, 1 year limited warranty for camera, 90 days limited warranty for Groovy case, limited warranty for instant film. So everything is right there. So you have your little display, you have your photo holder, album, case, camera, and the little Instant Mini. Okay, so let's get it open, show you a little bit about it. So your case, where your camera will go. Will be here. Come down. You can flip it, take a picture, close it up, put it away. It's up to you how you want to do it. It does come with a little, like a purse. So it's up to you how you want to do it. You have your photo album. Nice little small booklet. This is your photo album. They are little ones. It's up to you. This is the film. Okay. You have your photo holder. You have a little instant book. So, you know, ideal book, how to get it together. Warranty card. These to hold the pictures up. Get your 4 AA batteries. Camera stickers. Get a little booklet manual to show you exactly how to use it. This is your camera. So this is where your photo paper will go. You have your battery compartment. Your settings. The film comes out right here. Once you take the picture, it comes out from the top. You can change it. Sunny, cloudy. It's up to you. It has a flash. Very nice. So let's get it together and try a picture. See how it comes out. Plastic is hard on the batteries. Okay, your 4 AA batteries will go on the side. Okay, that one's up. This one's down. This one is down. And that one is up. You have these little tabs so you can pull the batteries out once they die. Put that on. Okay. Very nice. So now we'll put your films in. This one comes in a nice little container like this. Get it open. Okay. Okay. It will lock in just like that. The yellow will line up. Okay, so your battery's in. Your photos are in. So now to turn it on, you'll pull this. This is how you'll turn it on. You see the top? Turn off, turn on. So this is the way you turn it on. So now it matters if it's cloudy at home, sunny, it's up to you what it is. It will click. Okay, you will pick and then you'll take the picture. Press the button in the front, take the picture. Okay, once you take the picture, that was the start. Okay, so now you'll take the picture. Take the picture. Picture will come out. Take it out. So the first one you do it, the black cover come out. And then you take the picture again. And now you wait. It's coming. Look at that. That's awesome. Awesome. So now with this, you can use one of these. And you can put it on top of your table. It matters what way you want to do it. But look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. Awesome. So, do not put it in your mouth, of course. But that's it right there. Well, if you have any question, comment below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Awesome. More you let it sit, more the color sets. Very nice.